Hi guys, my name is Raymond. I've joined the Bareboot Trader community for about a year and a half now, and I've been trading live since. I was extremely lucky and grateful to be part of this mentorship program. And I just want to thank Andrew and the mentorship group for such a wonderful learning experience. Prior to the mentorship group, I was at a stage where I was improving very slowly, and I had no one to go to or share my experience with when I encounter a problem. After joining this group, I suddenly have a lot of experienced trader to talk with, and have the same mindset and goals. They're able to give me appropriate advice and suggestions. The most valuable things I learned was risk management and was able to keep my losing days small, so I won't wipe out my entire weeks or month of green days. The other thing is I really like the scorecard approach, which is the mentors went through all my trades and gave me feedback, and from that I knew what I was doing right and what I should improve. The mentorship program have topics to go through each week, so there's something to work on every day, and all of them have helped me become a better trader. I wish you guys all the best and happy trading. Thank you.